Hey friends, my name is Bilal Khan and today I'm going to work on a problem that I faced. So the problem is that if there are multiple members that have registered into this proctl account, so after that if you type proctl status, only the first member credentials will be stored in the Redis. The other member credentials or the other member account name will not be saved in the Redis. So let me just show you. If I write go install first of all, and after that if I write proctl log out, after that you can see that I have only two member accounts that are present. So let me just show you. MySQL root p, let's give it a password. I use proctl. Proctl should be like this. Proctl select from members. So you can see there are two members, Kaifa and the Bilal Khan recovered. So let's write proctl what you can say login with the Kaifa account first of all, and then the password is this one. If I write proctl status, you can see that the Kaifa account status is not shown to me. This is the username. If I show you the username, this is the user account name that should be shown, but instead of it, it will only show me this Bilal user. Instead, all the other members that will be joining, those account names will not be shown to him. All right. So if I write proctl log out and what you can say proctl login with the new account Bilal Khan recovered. This is the password. So if I write proctl status, you will see that Bilal is logged in. This account name is shown to me, but the Kaifa account name is not shown to me, although the Kaifa user was logged in, but the status was not shown to me. So the problem is that, as you can see here, that in the login, when you will check, when you will take a look at this is the login functionality of the member. So inside it you can see that it will only store the member account name and the member password. So it is not going to store the member account name. So this is the email address, this is the password, so it is not storing the member account name. So what I will do, I will also store the member account name, so that any member who will join or any member who will log in, the account name of that member will also be stored in the Redis, so that in case if he type proctl status, so the status or the account name will be shown to him. All right. So yeah, this is how it will work. So the first thing that I'm going to do, as you can see here, that this is the get member credentials function that I have created in my previous videos, and this is a part of Redis. So it is saving the Redis member email, Redis member password, and the Redis account name should be stored. All right, Redis member account name, like this, Redis member account name. So now what I will do, I will just write like first of all copy this and paste it like this, and once it is done, what I will do, Redis member account name like this, and you can see that this is the Redis account password. So I will write Redis member account password, and this is the member account name. All right. So when the member will log in, the account name of that member will also be stored. So in case if the member type proctl status, so the member account name will be shown to him. All right. So yeah, this is how it will work. So let's save this and let's go to the logout. So let's say if the member log out, in that case the member credentials will be deleted. After that, is the member login with the new credentials, then those credentials will be inserted, and those credentials will be shown to me here instead of showing the previous credentials. All right. So what I will do, I will write delete, copy this delete token, and what you can say, like paste it 3 times, sorry, member account email, member account password, and member account name. So basically it will delete the member account email, the member account password, and the member account name, so that if the user logged out, so in that case all of these credentials of that logout of the user will be deleted, and after that if the user log in with the new credentials, then these credentials will be set up from the start. All right. So this is how it will work. Let's save it. Let's write go install. Now let's write proctl status. You can see that this is the Bilal user, so that is showing me. Let's log out from here. After that, let's write proctl login with the Kaifa user. So now you can see that the Kaifa user is logged in. If I type the proctl status, you can see that now the Kaifa is logged in. So previous details of the Bilal, account name, email, password are deleted from the Redis, but now the new details are inserted when I logged in. All right. So this is how it will work. So let's write what you can say. Now it is done. Let's write git add, git commit, added. What you can say. Added the member account name credential, like this. All right, so let's write git push origin master, like this. So yeah, now it is done. Let's go to the repository here. So here you can see this is the repository. So now you can see 74 commits, added the member account name credential. All right, so this is how it is now. So yeah, so I hope you understood and liked this video. So if you liked it, then make sure to subscribe to my channel, and if you have any questions, then ask those questions in the comment section below. I will try to answer those questions. So till then, goodbye.